Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the TeSys Tera training. I'm your host, Leandro Mala, and in this video what we're going to see is how we need to wire the digital IOs embedded on the main control unit of the TeSys Tera. So let's go to the presentation. Good. So, TeSys Tera, we have different things that make the solution of TeSys Tera. We have the CT, which is in the back part, and then we have in the front the main controller, and additionally we can have the HMI or the expansion modules. Okay, so what we're going to focus now is on the embedded IOs that we have on the main controller, which is this part over here, not this one, okay, and are located over here, all the digital IOs. So you can see here I have the different main controller units for the TeSys Tera. All of them are located in the same place. Okay, this one is for Profinet. That's why I put in this visibility, because at the moment it's not available. So we have 4 digital inputs, and depending on how are we going to use them on the wiring, how the wiring is done, we should be able to have 3 or 4 digital IOs available. Okay, so let's have a slide. Okay, so I'm going to put myself in a position. Left. So we have 2 main configurations on the TeSys Tera on the main controller unit. So it will depend how we use on this 24, that basically is the common. When you see in the terminals, you should be able to see IC for the common terminal. So depending on how you use this common, you should be able to see to use 3 or 4 IOs. Okay, so if you just use that common to go to the switches that you have in your system, then you should be able to have 4 digital inputs, okay, by using this IC. I'm not sure why the manual says plus 24 volts, but on the terminal itself it says IC. So if you use the IC directly here to energize, to close the circuit, okay, here with the switches, that you're going to have 4 digital inputs. But if you don't connect this common, okay, over here, if you don't use it, okay, then you should be able to have a different 24 volts here. Oh, where is my mouse? Here, 24 volts to connect to I2, I1, and I4. So the I3 will not be used as a digital input. Okay, so you will have 3. Okay, so you can use an external power supply. Okay, so basically that's it. This is the different connections or different wirings that give you the possibility to have 4 inputs or 3 inputs on the TeSys Tera and the embedded main control unit. So this is it. This was a quick one, just to be aware how's the connection. Okay, in there in the manual says 24 volts. The connector by the connector is the IC for the common of the inputs. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.